All right, what's going on? This is going to be a little shaky, but I wanted to show people the whole Kodi build update, whatever. Stop paying people money for this shit. It's too easy for you to do yourself. So real quickly, this is on the PC, but it doesn't matter if you were to do this on Android device. So if you want to do it on your phone, you could do that. All right, so you get Kodi, download it from the Play Store or download it from the website if you're doing this on a PC. You're going to go to System and File Manager. And then, let's see if I can get in there more. All right, so then go to Add Source. It's going to be HTTP semicolon / and then let me back up a little bit here. And then you're going to put target builds .net / repo, and then click on done. And then I'm just going to leave it named repo. You could name it whatever you want. Then you're going to escape, go into system, go into add-ons, install from zip. We're going to go down to whatever you named it. I just left it repo, and we're going to put plugin video target wizard. So you let that update. Sometimes it takes a minute for it to actually update, and when it does update, down in the right hand corner you're going to see a little update pop up and tell you that it went through. So we'll wait for that to happen, and there it is right there. So whoops. So once you see that little window pop up, what you're going to do is you're going to go into programs right there, programs, click on target wizard, and then you're going to click on that and let it update. So this is the target in 1080p build, which is called the Gears of War build. This is basically the way that you install a build through a wizard. I'm just showing you through his wizard. There's a bunch of different wizards that you can use for whatever you want to have on your TV. Some people just like to go to TV add-ons and do their wizard and build because it's more simplistic. And while the Gears of War one is a little, the guy that runs it's a little indecisive and changes it up a lot, but he's just doing the best that he can. That's why I would never sell this, because it's inconsistent. But if you update your builds regularly, it'll be cool. So we'll let this download for a second here. I'm not going to stop the video so I don't have to do no video editing on this. All right, so as this finishes off and extracts the build, there's two things you need to know. There's always two things, right? So one is for the PC, I'm going to be able to, it's going to ask me if it can close Kodi, which I'm going to say yes, because on the PC this works. But if this was done on Android device, you either can go into your apps and close it, but you want to force close it. So you could do it two different ways. You could just restart your phone, or you can go into your apps, running apps, and just slide it to the right and close it. So I'm going to close it this way. It's going to close off completely. And now when I reopen Kodi, it's going to be Gears of War. So this is the Gears of War build. And just for those who don't really understand what Kodi is, I'll give you an example. Bunch of different apps, but the main ones you want to use are Exodus for movies and Exodus for TV shows, and Phoenix. Those are the two that I would start off with. So Phoenix, or go into movies or TV shows and just use Exodus. So we'll go into that. Sometimes when you open these up for the first time, you have to close it and go back into it. But anyways, we'll go into movies, and we'll go into most popular. It's going to look out there for what's out there on this list. And you could see Deadpool, Zootopia, Captain America, Sully, Star Wars, Conjuring 2, a lot of new movies, right? These are the popular ones. There's some Ghostbusters action from back in the day, but we'll do Deadpool. You click on it, it's going to scrape the internet for whatever links that it can to find that movie. A little hint is you can always just press escape and it'll bring it up. You don't have to let it scrape everything. And these are all the links where it's at. Now, sometimes you might click on one and it won't work. You just go to the next one. And there it is in 1080p. So we'll stop that so we don't get a copy strike. And then escape. And then just an example for those, again, that don't know about this. I'll give you an example. I like to show this one for the family. So this is every single Disney movie ever made since the 1930s to the early 2000s. So we can go into the 30s and see like Snow White, Pinocchio, Fantasia, Dumbo, all that stuff, right? And we'll go back in and look at something maybe like in the 50s. Because it's not just the cartoons, it's all the movies that they've done too. So like Swiss Family Robinson, you know, Treasure Island, yada, yada, yada. But again, just every single movie ever made by Disney is on there. All right, now you guys are up to date. Go get it.